Afternoon, everybody. It's Miss Hames here. We are going to be doing some art this afternoon, and in art you're going to be drawing a portrait of yourself. Now, a portrait is a representation of a person, and it's normally just their face that you get in the piece of artwork. And normally the person who the portrait is of is looking directly at the artist. But you're going to be artist today, so you can't look at yourself and draw it. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find a mirror in your house, and you're going to carefully need to study the features on your face and look what is on your face. So you need to go and get a mirror or go and stand in front of a mirror and look at that first of all before you get started. Now, Miss Williams has, if I share my screen, she has done a video of, she is drawing herself. So if I start this. So Miss Williams has gone already. She's looked at her features on her face. Just carefully look what you've got. So we've got two eyes, we've got a nose, we've got a mouth, and we've also got our ears as well. Okay, so you need to carefully look at all of those features to do that. So you can see Miss Williams here, she's outlining her face, and you can see that she's not doing it really small in the middle of the piece of paper. She's doing it nice and big. She's leaving room for her hair, which you also need to do, but it doesn't fill the page. We don't want it teeny tiny. So what Miss Williams is doing here is she is drawing some lines in the middle of her face, really faint, so you can put them out afterwards. And this is going to help her place the features on her face in the right place. So she's done, if I just pause it, I can't see very well. I'll upload this video separately as well. So she's done one down the middle of the face there. So that's to make sure that it's symmetrical. So whatever's on one side is exactly the same on the other side of the face. So it's not one eye there and one eye there. That would look very silly, wouldn't it, if my eyes were like that? So you've got to have it symmetrical. So it's exactly the same on both sides. That's why she's drawn a line down the middle of her face like that. So she's drawn one down the middle and then one there and one there. So she's putting the eyes at the top of that first line. That's two eyes she's put. Now she's going onto the nose. And just to say as well, when you're drawing your portrait, make sure the paper is portrait as well, not landscape. Make sure it's a portrait. Make sure you do it portrait, not landscape. And now she's going onto the mouth. So she's done one side first on this side of the face, and then she's gone and done the exact same side to make sure it's symmetrical. That's how she's done it. Lovely. So you can see there, Miss Williams, obviously she's got to add all the finer details, but she's done the rough outline of her face with the different features. So that is what we'd like you to do today. I'll stop sharing my screen. And also there is a finished image that Miss Williams did send to me. So if I show you that as well, just go and get it. She's a much better artist than me. Mine wouldn't have looked this good. And if I just share my screen again, you'll be able to see it. There you go. So that is the full, that's the finished piece. So you see she's added eyelashes on, she's got her pupils, she's got her eyebrows, and she's put on her hair as well. And it's nice and big. It's filled with a piece of paper. Okay, so that is what we'd like you to do today. So if you send any pictures, add them to the portfolio so we can give you a comment and a like back. That would be lovely. And we'll see you soon.